when this version of the cathedral was built at the beginning of the 13th century, this labyrinth was laid into the floor. It's only in the last 20 years that the church has agreed to remove the chairs and allow the public to walk it twice a week. As part of a university course, we were able to come in and walk it privately this week, which was amazing. There are 228 stones forming the labyrinth, and that is the exact number of days that the average fetus is in utero. And everything throughout this cathedral is based in mathematical truths. All of those people are standing in the center, praying and meditating and taking it in. With my back to the labyrinth now, I look at the main entrance. Let me give you a perspective of the size of the people. I'll try to zoom in so that you can see these beautiful windows. The one on the right, that one, is the Mary lineage window. So there were people involved in the design, what was called the Chartres Academy, the design and building of this cathedral, who were honoring the mother and the matrilineal feminine divine that is based in the Juridic well in the crypt of this cathedral. And that window on the right shows that we cannot say Jesus is from the line of David. Let's see if I'm getting my Christian and Catholic story correct. But rather, if Mary, the independent, as we've been calling her this week, experienced Immaculate Conception, then that means that Jesus was born of the female line. So this is Mary's family tree. She's at the top. All of these windows I learned from reading, the stories begin at the bottom. The bottom is the beginning of time. And moving up the window brings us to the more recent part of the story. Again, the Chartres Cathedral has the largest collection of stained glass, I think in Christendom. It may possibly be in Europe. Feel free to check me. And it's famous for this dark blue. Wheel around here to another window to show you even more of the dark blue. It's called Chartreuse blue, and it's unique. Here, in shot. I think I made a short video. This, I believe, is the Mary Magdalene window, telling her story. It has some of that very dark blue. See if I can go in close and show you the beauty of it. This is Alane Freund with your HSP travel blog. I'm going to go to walk the labyrinth and journey deep within.